Welcome to The Explainer. We're diving straight into Chapter 3 of Product Design and Development today to master the absolute art of finding winning products. We'll be looking at opportunity identification and this awesome concept called the Innovation Tournament. Let's get right into it. So, how exactly does a super simple, maybe even half-baked idea become a massive hit cat toy like the Frolly Cat Sway? I mean, they definitely didn't just stumble onto a bestseller by accident, right? They had to transform a totally vague concept into a real retail smash. As product managers, you know this struggle. How do you actually cross that chasm from staring at a blank whiteboard to achieving actual market success? Okay, let's dive into this. It all starts with an opportunity. Now, in product development, an opportunity is really just a hypothesis about how value might be created. It could be a newly sensed need, a newly discovered technology, or just a really embryonic product idea. You're not, committing millions of dollars to manufacturing right now. You're literally just hypothesizing that a specific customer need actually matches a possible solution. But here's the catch. Truly great opportunities are statistically incredibly rare. So you need volume, 50. That is the actual number of raw ideas Froolycat had to source just to find that one exceptional hit product. And where do you find them? Well, everywhere. Internal passions, dissecting competitors, or tracking annoying customer bugs. Basically, you generate dozens of these ideas and force them into what we call an innovation tournament, where they literally battle for survival. Let's move to the next part and see how this builds, because how do those 50 raw opportunities actually survive? It's through a pretty rigorous 6-step filter. First, establish your charter. Second, generate those opportunities. Third, screen them mercilessly. Seriously, this saves so much time and money. Fourth, develop the most promising ones into rough prototypes. Fifth, select the exceptional winners. And finally, step 6, reflect on the results. Now, selecting that final winner, surviving that brutal tournament, requires passing the RWW selection matrix. First up, is it real? Like, is there a genuine market need and a technically feasible product here? Next, can we win? Do we have a legitimate competitive advantage? For Froolycat, it was their swinging ball patent. And finally, is it worth it? Are the financial returns actually going to be adequate? To be a hit, you have to pass all 3. And Froolycat, they nailed it. So the crucial point is this. Here is your fundamental product management takeaway. Find problems, generate opportunities, screen them, and select the best opportunity. You absolutely don't start with the perfect product right out of the gate. You start with a tournament. So look at your pipeline today. Ask yourself, are you betting everything on just one lucky idea? Or are you doing the hard work to generate the 50 raw opportunities needed to actually win?